See what the fucking stream says. Oh, I got to present my screen to him. Share screen, entire screen.
Yeah, there we go. We live. What's up, guys?
Oh yeah.
Okay, we got that. Yeah, we got. Let's use. Yep. Hunter's lagging out a little bit, but we're gonna stream you for the first 20 minutes or so. See what we can get here. Let's see what SCP
Yeah, it might not
doing.
be strong enough.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put on my hotspot.
Yeah, let's see if the hotspot works.
Yeah. Having a little bit of issues because now that we're streaming, we're gonna switch to my hotspot. Hopefully, it is too far. Other networks.
There you go. Morning, guys. What's up? What's up? Like this. Hunter's just chopping in and out right now. There you go. There you go.
I think that might work.
Morning, guys. What's up? What's up?
Yeah.
Yeah, Hunter's got some lag.
It works now, yeah?
Yeah, there we go. Still a little bit of lag. Let's see what.
Yeah, I'm on the hotspot now. Just give it a moment.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, we just got to open you in a bit.
Don't do it to me, man. Do it.
What you like this morning, Hunter? Long, short, or NQ?
I wonder if
what you
can switching off my. I'm gonna put my data now. Might give me one more moment.
Yeah, all good.
Hopefully, I can just do 4G straight.
Let's see. Yeah, as you wait for Hunter to.
We better?
There you go. Yeah, there we go. There you
go. Yeah. Sweet. Okay. I went on the hotspot, but I was still on the Wi-Fi on my phone. It was choppy as shit. Ah, fuck me.
Okay. Yeah, it's still coming and going a bit.
This ain't working, man.
Still lagging. Yeah, the guys are saying still lagging. Let's see what.
Fuck.
What we like for longs here? I think we already almost played the gap full on NQ.
Yeah. Shit.
Yeah, there goes the longs.
Wait, I think maybe we're stabilizing. Okay. Do you have any prediction on the open?
Well, we're moving higher right now, so let's see.
Can you hear me all right now or no? Check.
Still lagging, yeah?
I gotta fucking fix this, man. I gotta fix it. Okay, wait. Hotspot doesn't work.
Yeah, Hunter's out. But yeah, we'll see what Hunter likes on NASDAQ. But we definitely have been moving lower overnight.
Okay,
but I think that gap full yesterday we had quite a big sell-off.
How's that?
Let's
Wait,
see.
I'm pushing my laptop as far as possible.
Hunter's MT5 going off there. The Christmas tree as well. Airbnb Wi-Fi. Yeah, we're still respecting this level here that I'm just looking at. I'm one of the guys, Hunter ducks a tune where we take a couple of minutes and let the open play out before looking for plays.
It's not going, eh?
Yeah, Yeah, still respecting the
Check.
zone.
James, man, you can't even hear me, hey?
Nah, yeah, you're lagging out quite badly.
Fucking hell. Wait. I'm going to see if I can push it even further away. Closer to I got an idea.
Some nice shorts here this morning on the deck. Was pretty neat. Let's go like this. Yesterday also. So yeah, I've had a green week this week. It's been pretty neat. There you go. Let's see if this works a bit. He has to get out the pool. But yeah, I had a pretty green week.
I have to get out of the pool.
Nice. Yeah, Monday was small green. I was a bit sick.
Oh, man.
Tuesday.
Look, okay.
Was nice.
You can hear me here, hey? Check.
Yeah, there we go now. There you go.
You can hear me fine here, hey? This is the worst.
Yeah, this is a bit better.
I could put the laptop here and then sit in the pool. Are we still lagging here? I think it's your stream then, mate. I think it's that I'm connected to yours.
No, my South African stream's good.
You know what I mean, though? Because I've been able to stream from here and I'm still lagging out.
No, you sound a lot better now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah, what you like for the open on the NASDAQ?
Okay, so my thought is, let me show you guys here. Let me show you guys. I gotta share my screen.
Yeah, share screen.
What I have to actually like stream from the pool because I'm trying to do a video as well.
Sure.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to show you what I think and then jump back in the pool. Let me be a bit closer to the house even.
Yeah, no, my stream is good on my side.
Yeah, I'm gonna get even closer to the house. I think it's that it can't handle all of the uploads everywhere. The internet's really shit in Cyprus, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Okay.
I had some deck shorts this morning.
Oh fuck! You're even chopping for me, even like inside the house now.
You can put some media assets in the background. Let's go like this.
Let me switch to mine here.
There you go. There you go. Got yours.
Yeah, easy. Okay.
There you go.
So I've just drawn out some levels, right? We have the same sort of levels from yesterday, even, right? I didn't even draw anything new. We have all these weekly levels here below us and all these weekly levels above us, right? There's one major monthly level right here below us, right? That's a major one. So we really want to buy that, right? So what I noticed is, there's levels here and there's levels here. So I drew two zones, right? And then we noticed the 4 hour is failing this zone, right? So the 4 hour wants to come up to this, right? So we want to be buying that zone, really, really hard buying that zone, right? 15 minutes telling us it's going to be coming down, right? Because we got the failures on this end.
Yep.
Right. So we're going to be buying there, right? And there's no point in touching it until, so that's going to be the trade for the day, right?
Okay. So you want the longs there. Okay.
That's basically the setup. Yeah. What I'm going to do, stop loss probably here because that's a 4 hour level. What I'm probably going to do is we're going to watch it here on live stream. And then I'm going to run back to the pool because I have to take the trade in the pool. And then I'll probably chop up.
That's funny, dude. We'll take the trade in the pool.
It's like I need like a Wi-Fi relay or something.
Yeah, because you're fine now, dude. It was lagging flipping badly in the pool. I think it's the chlorines getting involved in the signal.
Yeah, it's the freaking chlorine, eh? Well, that's fine. I can sit on the deck out here and then, but like, what, another 15 meters away and we're fucked. But yeah.
Yeah, you guys are different breed there in Canada. It's a lot. The Wi-Fi is a lot quicker.
Is there not good Wi-Fi down there?
Nah, in South Africa we get 100 meg lines, 150 meg lines, but it's not like your 1,000 meg lines like you guys get.
Mm. I mean, when I did this, I did a speed test and it was going at 19 up. Let's try a speed test right now. Speed test.
Yeah, 19.
It's fine. 19 down. The upload is what's important. You'd think 19 up would be fine.
Let's have a look. Hey, let's see that.
I was getting 19 from inside the pool.
Interesting. Yeah, because I got 100 up, 100 down at the moment to my side.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, I think 19 would have been fine to upload, but maybe my settings aren't ready. So this zone will probably short as well, right? If it does come up here, just because there's levels there that it's pretty bearish candle that's forming on the weekly, right?
Yeah, but you are pushing right now. You're in like the longs, yeah.
Huh? The longs?
We are pushing right now. DAX. I had some nice DAX shorts this morning. My side.
Yeah, good. Let's look at the DAX. I want to look at. Oh shit! Yeah, really, really jumped down.
Yeah, that was.
Did you play the second move down?
No. First move.
First move. Wow, just right on the open.
Yeah, but the second move was pretty neat as well.
Yeah. I was watching just something interesting Trader Kane said on socials. There is like it makes sense, the logic of it. He just kind of like he doesn't really understand the market as well as we do, or as well as I do at least. I don't know, but he says he waits for these moves, waits for the 50% pullback, which is this, right, and then literally only takes this move, right, because it's either going to continue down or it'll bounce here, and it's a pretty smart idea. It's like, as long as basically he wins in every case where it doesn't V bottom, right?
I see.
And V bottoms are pretty rare. There's usually a double bottom before coming back. So like it's a good concept of a trade idea if you don't understand anything, right? And like he said, like you don't take the reverse, of course, because it could just continue down, and you don't take the continue down because it could reverse, right? So you literally just wait for the pullback and then you short it until there, which is perfectly fine. But then you're basically trading this, right? Every single time. You're trading a 1R situation and you don't really understand the market. But like you don't understand why it's doing this. You don't understand why it's sold off here.
Yeah, it's still at this level though.
Which one?
I've just got this the gap down level from last night that we're still respecting. 21,850
on the
Nasdaq. Yeah, was the gap. I think we almost filled the gap now.
Oh, cool. There's comments here. Stream's fine now. Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Why is it dark? All good, guys. Fucking hell. I want to do a stream from like weird places. I want to try to do it from a boat. But then again, it's like, how am I supposed to get proper Wi-Fi? I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. I don't think I'm going to be able to stream from like the boat next week. I'm going to try to trade from a boat though. No, I'm good. What's like the weirdest place you can think to trade from?
What's like the
weirdest place you can think to trade from?
Weirdest place to trade from. That's
Sorry, say again.
Well, when I saw you in the swimming pool, that's pretty wild.
Yeah, I didn't even tell James that I was going to be in the pool.
Yeah, you got to take the trade in the pool.
I have to. Yeah. I'm gonna run over again if it comes up higher here, because I do think it's gonna short off this zone.
Yeah, we actually
Another
we
option
definitely
there.
played the
I
gap
mean,
fill.
you can always either take the long or the short. Who cares, right? You're always going to be able to get
Yeah, you gotta win one way. You
Right.
go long, I'll go short. One of us will win.
exactly. There you go. Hey, I think both directions are fine. Usually, it's pretty rare that it just fucking rockets, which it could today because that level was honestly is that the monthly? Yeah, it was already hit right in the pre-market. Yeah, it was already hit in the pre-market, so that might have been the bottom.
Yeah.
I just in my mind, it was a bad idea to take the long immediately, right? Because it's so like in between. Like you don't have a very terrible risk reward here. It would have been wise to wait for the pullback. Like this was a really strong
Yeah, if
pump.
you're buying up at this level, it's not, as you said, it's not. Yeah.
There's no point anymore. You can only lose from there, right? You know what's it's interesting is like if people say buy low, sell high, right? And it's like people love to buy after a pump, and it makes no sense because it's like the probability that that's the top is super super high now, right? Like this probability that this is the top now is like 90% chance, right? You know what I mean? It's like it's not unlikely that it's not going to just come down again. You get a better opportunity. That was a really strong candle. See if I can sit in the area over here. Hopefully the Wi-Fi is still good here. I got better shade. I took a Top Step payout, another one today.
You took a top?
It's funny, Top Step, they emailed me like a month or two ago saying, hey, you might get pushed to live markets. We're we're investigating you or whatever to see if you're a good trader. But I think they're never going to do it because all I do is turn their accounts. I never actually stack up cash.
Sure.
I just get like $4,000, take half of it out, and then I shoot for a second payout, with 200 each day, right? And then that way it eventually just blows one day, right? So they're never going to push me to live because all I'm doing is just like fucking with them. You know what I mean?
Yeah, sure. I mean,
it's like the profitable trader that never can hold an account. You know what I mean? Because I'm basically just playing the prop firm, not the account.
That's fine.
I don't know if you do a similar or what. Or do you like to?
I do. I do also saying that, bro. I mean, there's no point trying to keep an account for 10 years.
Yeah, if you want to keep an account, you do your brokerage.
Yeah.
You do a brokerage account. Okay, what's this level here? What do I have drawn there? 4 hour. Oh, there's no level there.
So look.
Oh, that's just that. Okay, never mind. You should pump up some more.
See. Yeah, I'm so flat, dude. I haven't taken a trade yet.
Yeah, same. You're gonna wait. You're gonna.
We have to take a trade in the first 15, 20 minutes. Otherwise, you got to shit on us.
You got to shit. What?
Remember when you said you shat on me last time? You're like, I was tuning those traders that don't take trades in the first 15 minutes. or 30 minutes.
Oh yeah. To have to wait for confirmation.
Yeah. I like the longs, dude. Both on Nasdaq and ES at the moment.
I think the shorts, man. You know what I
think
mean?
so?
Like, yeah, I think it's gonna be shorts. You know why? It's like, I think it's gonna come top this area and then come back down, and it's gonna fail this zone, right? And then that's gonna cause it to come back down. It could still be long for the day, but I don't know. I think it's really likely that we can get at least a scalp off this, right? Because this is a solid fake out, in my opinion, to gather the lowest risk entry possible. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm making a YouTube video of like I want to trade inside the pool. So what I got to do is I'm going to record myself in the pool. I'm going to pretend like the whole stream was in the pool and be like, okay, the trade's here, and then I'll record it, and then I'll come back out of the pool, and then I'll come back to stream, and I'll watch the trade with you guys, and then when I need to make a video, I'll go back in the pool. Otherwise the Wi-Fi is not going to work. I'm not going to be able to stand out there. Also, like the stone is burning hot over there.
Yeah, I've just got this. This is where we closed last night's closing price on Nasdaq.
Which one?
Yeah, where we're sitting at the moment. We closed there last night, Nasdaq.
Oh, yesterday's close.
Yeah, yesterday's closing price.
They might short it off of yesterday's close. You really like the closes.
Yeah, are you doing this daily now or what? Yeah, we're doing this. We'll probably do it on Tuesdays and Thursdays, Hunter.
Something like that. So I think we're debating for next month in July when I'm back in Canada to do the Maven live as Tuesdays, Thursdays, and then I want to get Louise on every week on Thursdays, and then Emma on Tuesdays. If we can do that, you know what I mean. And then we can talk psychology with Louise. Technical Tuesday, psychology Thursday, maybe something like that. That'd be pretty cool. And then Wednesday we can go on your stream or something.
Yeah.
Yesterday's close, yeah, right here, eh?
Yeah, we are. Yesterday's close, yeah.
Interesting fact there, eh? We're just being patient here. It's difficult to be patient, man. That was so close to the. I just want one more push up. See, they're selling it off this 4-hour level here. One more kiss up and I'm happy.
On that short.
I haven't entered anything yet. But I do want a short here.
look what the ES is doing. ES is still looking quite strong compared to Nasdaq.
Yeah. Oh yeah, ES is solid. But it's again hitting that 4 hour level. Yeah, I haven't been following the ES at all. I gotta do Nasdaq. What was it? Were you watching? What was it, yesterday or one of the days was just so boring. Nothing happened all day. What day was it? Was it Monday? I think.
Yeah.
Literally
Not Monday.
Yeah. I really want to enter this, man, but it's like it's slightly too early. And I'm just wondering if I've missed a level. Let's see.
So look. So have you taken shorts yet or not?
No, it's still chill. It's like it's too early, but like it looks like they're selling it off of a 4 hour level, right? This 4 hour line here.
Oof. Well, nice 1 minute bar coming back down now.
Yeah, man. I think potentially what might be happening in my mind is the 4 hour is going to sell off. It's going to show a failure, and then it's going to pump even higher to fake out more people and then back down. Right?
Yeah. Well, yeah. There we go.
We'll see. We'll wait 5 more minutes. It's rare that we don't take a trade the first 30 minutes, huh?
Yeah, and then you got to tune yourself now. It is.
Can you check Bitcoin? Sumo thinks it's going to create an all-time high if held 110. Yeah, I've been calling Bitcoin to more or less be a top now for a little bit now, not too long, a couple weeks or something, right? If it goes higher, it doesn't matter. If you're trading Bitcoin right now and you're thinking it's going to 200K, you're wrong, right? Like it makes no sense. Makes no sense for to do that. Because that's complete degenerate gambling.
Yeah.
And Bitcoin is showing signs of weakness at the top. There, I can show you Bitcoin. Do I have the chart on, or do you? You have the chart on. Yeah, Bitcoin showing signs of weakness at the top. And so, like, what's your best case here, right? Like, if you're holding, like, if you already have Bitcoin, you might as well sell it, right? Because you're in a position no matter what. You're entering a new position always, no matter what, right? So your current situation right now is okay. Maybe it's going to go down to 80K, or maybe it's going to go up to 120K. So your setup is fucking god awful at this point, right? Like, what's it going to do? It's not going to go insanely high, right? And if it does go up higher, you can get in later. You know what I mean? When it's actually showing strength, you sell the rips and you buy the dips. That's what trading is. It's not fucking random betting, hoping that it's going to go higher.
All the rips, buy the dips.
Exactly. Yeah, when it comes down, you buy it, and then you just literally ride the quick moves, right? Like I think I bought fucking like 70, like 77 or 78, something like that, and then I sold 105, right? Whenever that close was. That's it. It's great. You make 25% gain in like a month. Nowhere else can you do that shit. So like, do you really need to fucking make your $10 turn to 500? Right? It doesn't make sense. Bro,
I think this
Selling it.
level here could be kind of set in. Let's see.
selling off from that zone.
Yeah.
It looks like they're going to fail it, right?
See what ES as well coming back down also.
Yeah. So in the case like this for you, what would you be doing? Right? Like if it comes back down here and then the 4 hour closes like failing to make a new high, kind of like let's say it closed like this, would you still be looking for longs in the first 30
Yeah,
minutes?
the only thing for me right now that I don't like is that obviously we are above daily VWAP now too. So, I mean, I can definitely see this level being a level of resistance, but we're not looking particularly bearish on the open at the minute, at least, right?
Okay.
DAX is coming down, but DAX now also above the daily VWAP, and I made money shorting the DAX from this exact same level this morning. Go back to the NASDAQ chart here. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. For me personally, Hunter, like if I find a nice trade in the first 50 minutes or I find it in the last 50 minutes on the day, as long as I'm taking good trades, right? And stacking wins.
Yeah.
I've had a nice week so far. Yesterday was quite a nice day. Yeah.
So my plan now with that 4 hour failure is I'm still going to short that zone, but it's going to go into these purple lines here, right? And it's literally going to be that, right? It's going to be this. This is going to be the trade. That's it.
Sure.
And then we might take a long down here, right? Later.
To buy. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So there's still same two options. It's still in this range for me because that 4 hour candle failed this, but all it needs to do is come back down to this level for me to be happy, right? And then I can take longs again. So anywhere below that purple line, I'm happy to long, and anywhere above this, I'm happy to short, right?
Sure.
I think both are still possible trades to take today. Man, the TSA went into my luggage and took my lighters. I had some nice Zippos.
Yeah.
And I just realizing now, because I filled them with fluid, they went into my bags, the checked bags, and took them. They had nice Zippos, man. I got them as like souvenirs.
Hey.
Yeah, it sucks, eh? I got one from each country.
Yeah, that's a bit of a crap one.
So this looks good. Like here, that 15-minute, it'll rally off this level. You know, it'll make a new high here. I'm still super happy with what's happening.
Yeah. I'm just sitting patient at the moment. We'll see what happens. I do want to, I don't know about the shorts right now, but would you prefer the shorts or you want to try to come back down and then look for longs there? I mean, either one, you said.
I'm completely dead center equal on that, right?
Yeah.
I have no bias on either direction. What I'm going to do is I'm going to long down here and I'm going to short up here. That's it.
Sure.
It's still like dead center middle of range for me. And what's funny is, both of our setups could hold true. Like let's say it breaks a new high and then it comes back down. It'll be below VWAP, but then it could just wick it and then come back up. You know what I mean?
Sure.
Because even if you're on the longs, which is cool about the two sort of styles we look at together, is it's both can be perfectly right at once.
Yeah, no trades in the first 30 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, I really want to get. I really would like to buy off that monthly once again. Actually, that monthly level is so strong.
I feel like I need to hit the pool soon. Let's see. Yeah, process. It's been pretty slow this week, I must say. Do we have news today?
Any news?
Yeah, we did have news. 2:30 PPR. Yeah.
But no more.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. What have you guys been up to? That's so far. How's Emma? How's the team? How's John?
Yeah, Emma's gone home, man. Now John's girlfriend's here. We're planning to
Okay.
go to Limassol on Saturday, which like
Okay.
Limassol is like the finance district of the
Yes, Limassol.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's where all the forex brokers are, and you know the
the brokers are. Yeah.
the Russian escorts and everything, all the bullshit, you know. You know what I heard is this is not Limassol, but John was telling this. He says that pimps will go to like Moldova and tell you know, girls, because Moldova is like super poor. They'll tell girls that you have a high-end managerial role at a restaurant if you come to Cyprus, right? And so then they fly them out, but then they fly them to the Turkish side, and then like they become like the pimp's like hoe or whatever, and then she can't go home now. They're just like they just trap them over there, which is like it's kind of close to Limassol. It's just on the northern side, right, of Cyprus.
Sure.
It's funny.
Yeah, a lot of the brokers, all the brokers, they are that side too.
Huh?
The brokers are all that side as well.
They're on the southern side. All the brokers, they're in Limassol. We've seen XNS a ton. We keep seeing them around everywhere.
Yeah, XNS are massive.
Yeah, it's Limassol is like a big finance and party town. It's like just fucking full of money because it's all brokers and like you know,
sure,
fucking escorts and strippers coming over to like make money from like the rich guys. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
I like Paphos a little bit more, but I like the mountains over by Limassol, which is cool. I don't want to be in a city, man. Limassol would be crazy to be in. But we're gonna check it out for IFX. We're gonna go on a yacht on Tuesday. See if we can make some money from trading on the boat.
Yeah, you can either jump in the swimming pool and take it from the ocean.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna see if we make a trade. Do a video.
Still moving higher, guys. Above opening range high now, but
there we go. There we go. Okay. Soon. Let's go. I want an entry, baby. Okay, that's gonna be the. I'm gonna take the trade here. I'm gonna take the trade. No friggin'. I'm gonna sell one here. Order filled. Oh shit. Log into this thing. Where's my real one? Sell here. Sell one there. And then we're gonna sell two here. Sweet. Okay, that's the trades. I think. Okay, cool. Okay, I gotta jump in the pool. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. See if the Wi-Fi keeps going.
There you go.
All right, we had to wait like half an hour for the first trade, but the setup we were talking about here is perfect so far. The level I'm looking for, some weekly levels here. It stayed in the zone for a while, and I'm hoping it's going to come back down here. We had a 4-hour close. It's pretty good. So I'm hoping we can hit this monthly level here on that short and then take a long and ride it up. So looking for the 2 trades. If it does continue up, I will add to it slightly. But that's how I trade. Is I have a zone. I enter possibly 2 orders and then take it back down away from us. If it does close, if it closes strong into our zones, then we have to get out, of course. Am I still on? I'm still good for Wi-Fi or what?
Yeah, it sounds good. You are lagging in and out, but it sounds good.
Oh, yeah. Sweet. We got that. Here, let me close some of these requested top set. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Right on. It's not bad here. Not bad. I'm sitting pretty here.
Let's see.
That was a good entry. Okay. Oh. I got some duckies too.
Jeez.
I could be far away, looking around, and still make money. It's good, right?
So crazy. So look.
I'm gonna get my computer wet.
Oh. Let's have a look.
Oh yeah. Keep it down, baby. Dump it down.
Where's that thing? What's up, Corey?
Yeah, just chat to my chat for me, eh?
Yeah. Just shooting in the pool while trading. Yeah. So look, yeah. Let's go like this. What's that song?
What's that?
Play some music for you.
Oh yeah, hey. There's no way I can dance to this dude and not look like a stripper.
What music is this, dude?
Oh, it's so nice actually doing this. The Wi-Fi seems to be working better, eh?
Check it. This song here in the background, this one's called Feeding the Ducks, Hunter. Apparently, this is called Feeding the Ducks.
Ducks, eh?
Let's see.
Oh, this one's super slow and sexual, eh?
I like this one. Where's your trade, eh? Look. The screen went away. Where's the screen, Hunter?
Huh?
The screen.
It's green?
Yeah, your screen's not sharing anymore.
It's not?
No.
Wait. Oh, wait. Let me turn it back
There
on.
you go, there you go.
I'll just do, I'll just screen share trading view. You guys will just have to trust me that I'm in the position, okay? Nice.
There you go, there you go. Just get your trade up there. I'm still flat.
You're so flat, mate.
Yeah, I'm still chilling, but let's see what I'm interested to see how this will work out. I'm definitely gonna mark it
I'm
up.
gonna add a second one higher if I need to. Yeah, so I expect, because of that 4-hour failure, I expect it to come back down at least to here. Right? So this is a decent setup, right? Considering it's on the levels we wanted. Right?
Let's see.
I'm gonna put a stop.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna put a stop probably like right here. What's that level there? Dailies. I have my stop like right here. But I add a second one there.
Let's see. I do have I don't know what you want to do because I've got to head off in the next couple minutes, but I'm interested to see how this trade's going to play out.
Oh yeah, I feel you. Okay. Well, I could text you. You can go whenever you need to go. But I'm gonna trade this from the pool.
Okay.
Either way.
Okay.
If my stream ends, that's all right. We'll let the chat figure it out from there. I gave them the information they need to know.
Yeah, you gave them the information. You tipped them off. Let's see. I'm interested. I'm gonna mark this up. What's your actual entry price on the CFD broker?
My actual entry price. I'm gonna enter another one right now.
Okay, so 893 and 900.
So I'm at my average entry is 21,910.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna put a I need to take another here. Sell this one too. And then sell another. Okay. So on the chart here, 910 is my average entry now. Just trying to draw this. There you go, 910. My stop loss will be like 960, I think.
Sure.
And then we're going for like 800, down to 21,800. So hopefully it sells right here. I'm just giving a little bit of space just in case it goes for that daily level. There's a daily level above. But I think that's it. All right, look at this chart here. The average entry we took is at 910. And we're going to put a stop loss with a little bit of space above a daily level. And then we're hopefully riding this down. But it is really, really strong momentum. Hopefully we're right here. That's the final.
Yes, sir.
That's
Put me in the background, yeah, Hunter. Put me in the background.
Put you in the background? Wait, one sec. on the camera?
There you go. I'll put me on the camera.
Yeah. There, wait. We'll get you on screen here too. There's the live stream with James.
Yeah.
So funny, dude.
Okay, next 2 minutes, I'm gonna head up, but I'm gonna watch this trade. If this starts coming down, I might look to get in with you, but I'm watching her.
Yeah. Would you do like a mean reversion here down to the VWAP or what?
Yeah, I might play it because it's quite extended now off the VWAP for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're gonna wrap it up here in the next couple. We'll see how Hunter's trade plays out. We'll see you guys live on. Yeah. We're gonna look at maybe stream on Wednesdays here for like 45 minutes at the open, and then Tuesdays and Thursdays we'll discussing off camera as well about possible doing that as well. So yeah, totally. We'll see if the pool's good luck.
I think most likely it's a terrible place to trade, but it's so easy to get here.
Perfect. Hunter, I'm going to end it here, and then you can go live on your kick if you want to go your side.
Yeah, I might just wrap it up here. I only stream for an hour or two, so
yeah, man.
I'm gonna let this run, and then just trade on my own.
Copy that. We'll see
you
guys,
brother.
Yes, sir. Cheers, guys.